Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. I will let you show you the accessories on our Ford Bronco here. There you can hear the heater fan working. Radio came on. We're in a steel building so you don't get any reception. Blinker to the left, blinker to the right. Horn works. Dome light. Dome light works from the turn on. This doesn't from the door. This light's bad or unhooked, but it does. See right there. And there's your wipers. So we'll start it up here for you. Runs good. There you see it's 4-lock light works. Well, I didn't give it any gas. A little cold-blooded. Just brought it in from outside. Tack works. Gas gauge I see works. Had good oil pressure, so get you listen to it. See, there's might have that choke now if you're gonna run. Runs nice and smooth. Like I said, there you can see the oil pressure. There's your tail lights and your license plate light. So everything works on it. Nice old Bronco. Got any questions? Give me a call. 605-695-7391.